from there, we're gonna walk across the street to the Opium House. But we're not gonna go to Opium House now. We can go because at the Opium House, in front of Opium House, we're gonna have a ride on farmers.
थायलंड आहे ही मधली नदी आहे आणि या साईडला लाओस दुसरा देश समोर एकदम म्यानमार आणि या नदीने पुढे 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 गेलं की चायना लागतो
बाबूला खायलाच भेटते सर्वायवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट बिचारा ते त्याला ते लागणार गो बाई थोडंसं आज याचा की हो ते कटार लागली तर प्रॉब्लेम आहे ते लागत असं वरूनच कर मग वरूनच ते काय
You never like ready for it. The only thing you're saying is like that. It wasn't 120. Marcus refused it like 120. That's when Moses died.
गेलं दुसरीकडेच गेलं किती
Why do we have to die? What if I want to look for 150?
Bitte Schuhe ausziehen und ins untere Regal stellen. 请脱鞋，并把它们放在下面的鞋架上。Silakan angkat kasut dan letakkannya di rak kasut di bawah.
Please take off your shoes and place them on the shoe rack below.
They mainly listen to fishing at night.
Ada kuah kacang. Karena hiểu
बिस्किट कुकीज आहेत वाटते एवढ्या मोठ्या. Wow.
Oh, wow. Those are funny looking turtles.
Yeah, right. But
Sushi!
yeah, they live here forever because nobody allowed to catch them, huh? Huge for the size of gourami.
Look at that's a nice
Yeah.
big turtle. No, the turtle's
Yeah.
here. Where's the wife of mine?
Yeah. Huh? No, quite a few. 2 over there, 3 over there. There are more coming maybe, but always 4 or 5.
There they go. Wait, the fish eat the same food as the
Same
turtle?
food, right? But the turtle cannot compete with them, so you got to put it in the mouth, you know. But you put it in the water, the fish will take them off because he's so slow. See that?
Buy your fish.
Yeah. The gourami, take them off. Hey. You want to try to feed them? Go ahead. Try to merge these 2 cities together and name it Bangkok Metropolis. With population about 11 million now. This is the new part of Siriraj Hospital, but this one they charge you. No, number 1 Sukhothai, sorry. We go next week. Number 2 Ayutthaya. We go tomorrow. Number 3, this one. And number 4, current one. To the right, that's the Bangkok. It used to be a separate city. See the statue of the man standing over there holding a sword, huh? The black statue in front of the entranceway. So after this, that's why golden moment. So after this, he became Buddha. Buddha is not his name. Buddha is his title.